வணக்கம். இந்த வீடியோவில் ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் ஒன்று பார்ப்போம். அது என்ன அப்படின்னா, a box of weight 10 into root 3 Newton is held in equilibrium. It is in equilibrium with the help of two strings, that is string OA and OB as shown in figure. The string OA is horizontal. Find the tension in the strings. இதுக்கு என்ன principle? What is the principle or the background theory? Let us see. There are two methods to solve this problem. What are the methods? One is resolving these two tensions, resolving these two forces into rectangular components. That is, this can be resolved into two components. If this is 60 degree and this will be 60 degree, therefore if this is T1 and this is T2, then this can be resolved into two components, and this is only one component. These components can be equated. And the other method is applying Lami's theorem among T1, T2 and this weight, that is T1, T2 and the weight. We can apply Lami's theorem also. Therefore, first let us see the first method. Here the diagram is neatly drawn. That is, here is the tension T1, that is the tension in the string OA is T1 and tension in the string OB is T2, and this T1 is horizontal. T2 can be resolved into two components. This is 60 degree, this will be also 60 degree. Therefore, adjacent component is cos component. Therefore, T2 cos theta. Here is opposite component. This component is T2 sin theta. Okay. Now, this vertical components can be balanced or equated. Now, therefore, T2 sin theta, the upward component T2 sin 60 is equal to the downward component, that is weight of the body 10 into root 3. Therefore, the equation is T2 sin theta or T2 sin 60 is equal to 10 root 3. Let it be equation 1. And therefore, from this equation, T2 into sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore, T2 root 3 by 2 is equal to 10 root 3, and therefore this root 3 and root 3 gets cancelled and this 2 goes here. Therefore, it is equal to 20. That is, T2 equal to 20 Newton. T2 is found to be equal to 20 Newton. Now, for these horizontal components, T1, the at equilibrium, T1 must be equal to T2 cos 60. That is, T1 must be equal to T2 cos 60. Let it be equation 2. And from this one, T1 equal to, what about T2? We already calculated T2 to be equal to 20 Newton and cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, 20 into 1 by 2 equal to 10 Newton. That is, T1 equal to 10 Newton. Now, from this method, we calculated tension T1 in the string OA and the tension T2 in the string OB. Now, let us discuss the other method, Lami's theorem method. Click here. From this diagram, let us apply Lami's theorem. T1 by sine of the opposite angle. How this is 150? This is 90, and as this is 60, this angle is 60. Therefore, 90 plus 60 equal to 150. 90 plus 60 equal to 150. Therefore, T1 by sine 150 is equal to T2 T2 by the sine of the opposite angle, this is 90 degree, therefore T2 by sine 90 which is equal to the third force 10 root 3 by this angle, sine of this angle 120 degree, this is 90 and this is 30. How? As this is 60, this must be 30, therefore the total angle is 120, that is 10 root 3 by sine 120. We can convert this. Let's see how. T1 by sine 150 equal to sine 90 plus theta, it can be written, that is sine 90 plus theta equal to cos theta, therefore sine 90 plus 60 equal to cos 60, and T2 by sine 90 equal to 1. Here is 10 root 3 by sine 120, the same principle, sine 120 equal to 90 plus theta, sine 90 plus theta equal to cos theta, that is sine 90 plus 30 equal to cos 30. Let us apply these values. Therefore T1 by cos 60 equal to half and T2 by 1. Here is 10 root 3 by cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2, and to arrive at the value of T1 we can equate these two terms, that is T1 by 1 by 2 equal to 10 into root 3 by root 3 by 2. Therefore T1 equal to 10 root 3 by root 3 by 2 into this half goes here. Here it is in denominator, therefore it goes here, therefore 10 root 3 by root 3 by 2 into half is equal to 10 Newton. To arrive at the value of T2, we can equate these two terms, that is T2 by 1 equal to 10 into root 3 by root 3 by 2. Therefore T2 is equal to this term into 1. Therefore T2 equal to 10 into root 3 by root 3 by 2, which is equal to root 3. Root 3 gets cancels, and 10 into 2 equal to 20 Newton. So we arrived at the result by two methods. I think you will like this. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you.